Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcoming you all the grand finale of Men's T20 Cup Season 4. 10-12 cricketers versus Gulnaz Warriors. Massive final. They are the defending champion. Both are the joint champion of Men's T20 Cup. So here we are going again. Another season, another final. Let's see who's gonna make it. What a cracking shot! He just smashed it. Smash it for a brilliant boundary. And it's a 4. Should have taken. And yet another miss. What are they doing? It's a big final, let me tell you. They're just dropping catch here and there. And it's a big miss again. 10-12 cricketers, what you guys are doing? Avir Hassan is really a good bowler also. The captain of 10-12 cricketers. Short of length delivery, chance of a catch and taken! Here you go, Avir Hassan strikes. And it's a massive pull from Milan. Brilliant pull. And it goes the distance. Another shot. And it's even bigger. Out of the park here. It's another catch. This time it was a perfect one. Same sort of delivery, but she caught it properly. And so, here is the innings break. I am Imtiaz Chaudhary signing off for a bit. I will join in the second innings. And here's the glory! Another massive series! 10-12 cricketers, winners of Men's T20 Cup Season 4! We're gonna win, and 10-12 cricketers, congratulations for winning the glory of Men's T20 Cup Season 4. And lastly finish, I think it was Baijit. He smashed 2 big shots and goes over the line. So credit goes to 10-12 cricketers. Round of applause for 10-12 cricketers. I would like to invite in the dais the scorer and the umpire, please. Mr. Tiham Khan, he was the scorer. Done a tremendous job throughout the season. And the umpire, Mr. Sravan, who has done exceedingly well in the middle, made some crucial decisions. Round of applause for Sravan, please. Man of the match, none other than Mr. Rani. So, the best batsman of the tournament, none other than the wicket hitter and the player of national team, Mr. Munim Shahriar. Bowler of the tournament, Mahmudullah Riyad. আমি যখনই যাই আপনার সাথে সিটি খেলতে গেলাম, সেখানে 3 ম্যাচ খেললাম, 3 ম্যাচে আপনি ম্যান অফ দ্য ম্যাচ দিলেন। এখানে ফাইনাল, এত ক্রুশাল একটা ম্যাচ, এত বড় বড় প্লেয়ারের ভিড়ে আপনি আবারও ম্যান অফ দ্য ম্যাচ। আপনার অনুভূতিটা কি প্লিজ বলুন।
আসলে অনুভূতি তো ম্যান অফ দ্য ম্যাচ হলে সবারই ভালো লাগে, আমারও ভালো লাগে। আমি চেষ্টা করছিলাম ভালোটা করার জন্য। আসলে টিম তখন খুব একটা বাজে অবস্থানে ছিল আমাদের। তো ক্যাপ্টেন যখন আমাদের বলটা তুলে দিছে, আমি যার চেষ্টা করি তার রাস্তাটা রাখার জন্য। তো থ্যাংক ইউ ক্যাপ্টেনকে আমার ওই মোমেন্টে আমাকে আমার উপর আস্থা রাখার জন্য।
Round of applause for Ronnie Khan, please. Inviting the stage the runner-up team to take their medal and trophy, please. So here is the moment. I would like to invite the captain of